The Vince Hagan Company is the nation's leading producer of concrete batching plants and equipment. Through decades of patented equipment, innovative technology, industry education, and world-class service, Vince Hagan has set industry standards and a high bar for other batch plant producers. We are dedicated to designing, customizing, manufacturing, and servicing the highest quality concrete batching equipment. Our expert consultants will work with you to understand your site requirements and production needs. We stand behind our 3 generations of leadership in innovative batch plant engineering with a passionate team that continues to push the industry forward. Vince Hagan plants are legendary for value because of proven dependability, high production, design simplicity, and longevity. Our patented steel truss design allows the mobile batch plant to ship as a single load, including dust collection, and is legendary for standing the test of time, weather, and high production. Our plants address your needs for robust storage, a uniform mix, and the high production demands of both large and small projects. We design your stationary plant to meet your site layout needs while considering seismic and high wind requirements for your location. Installation of your equipment is just as critical as the purchase. With a 65-year proven track record, Vince Hagan is the most trusted installation and ongoing service provider in the industry. Our SmartVH Plant Monitoring App monitors key components, predicts possible downtime, and manages maintenance schedules. When it comes to making this significant investment, you can rest assured that the center of your production relies on equipment built to last decades. Whether you need the highest production, the most aggregate storage capacity, or a plant that can grow with your business, Vince Hagan is the solution for you.